There's one thing that I wish someone told me when I was 15 that would have saved me years of being in my own head. And quite frankly, it's embarrassingly simple.
I did again?
Alright, let's get into it. Let me just paint a picture for you. It's year 9, I'm in the school cafeteria at lunch, and it's packed to the brim, super busy today, everyone's in there eating their lunch, and I cross eyes with this girl that I have a huge crush on, and I'm thinking, shit, I want to go approach her, but I don't know what to say, and I'm just like, fuck it, I'll go anyways. My chest is tight, my mind is blank, and I walk over to her. I go over to her table with all her friends, and I say the stupidest thing. I'm like, hey, so nice weather today. And all her friends burst out laughing at me, pointing their finger, laughing, and like, what is this guy on about? Look at this guy. Who do you think he is? What is he trying to do? Talk to you? And I just laugh it off, go along with them, and I walk away. And that moment plays in my head for the rest of the day. That evening I get home, and I'm trying to sleep. It's late at night. I know I've got school the next day, and I'm like, still this scene is replaying in my head. I'm just thinking, what could I have done better? What went wrong? I want to be that guy that can just approach people and be confident in the moment and know what to say, know what to do. Why can't I be that guy? And then it hit me. In that specific moment, my body just took over. My mind was completely blank, so my body just took over. I just reacted. I said the first thing I possibly could say. When in reality, if I just took one deep breath, everything could have been completely different. So let me just quickly explain the science behind the situation that happened, this story that I had. I was incredibly anxious, and therefore my brain was in the caveman sort of brain. I was in fight or flight. I was trying to survive. I was thinking there was some sort of threat around. Or I wasn't actively thinking that, but my brain was put into that state. High cortisol, thinking, oh, there's some sort of threat, what do I do? Trying to survive. When in actuality, it's just a girl. There is no threat. But by not allowing myself to calm down, I was letting all this cortisol and all this stress take over, my caveman brain take over. So I was so much more in fight or flight, when in actuality I should have been rest and digest. If I just took one deep breath, my prefrontal cortex would have taken over control. Reason, confidence, understanding, smarter decisions, smarter play. My thinking brain would have been back online in less than 3 seconds. So, to apply this to a situation for you, think about it this way. There's a girl that you like, and you're just about to approach her. Take a deep breath just before. Maybe you're walking into a room where, you have a meeting, it's a work meeting, or maybe it's a school presentation, and you're stressing out, you're all in your head thinking, what's gonna happen? Pause, deep breath, and just relax. Because you want to escape that fight or flight instinct, that survival instinct. You want your body to be in rest and digest. You want your brain to be operating at its smartest, best capacity. Because think about it, if you're in like survival instinct mode, you're constantly just going to be trying to analyze for threats and trying to overcome any threats in the fastest way possible, which might not be the best way possible or the smartest way possible. Every single time you encounter some sort of stressful situation that you think, how can I get out of this? How can I... What do I do? What do I do? Your brain's overthinking. Your brain's going completely overdrive. Just remind yourself. Okay. I know what I need to do. I'm okay. I'm relaxed. I'm not saying this is going to give you all the answers, but it puts your brain so much more just of like a relaxed state. So therefore, in the moment, you can rely more on your prefrontal cortex. You'll have much better decision making. You'll have much better reasoning. You'll do what you need to do so much better. I can't tell you the number of times that a situation has been exactly the same. I don't have any script. I don't know what I'm going to say. to the girl or whatever situation it might be. I don't know what I'm going to do in the moment, but I take a deep breath. I still don't know, but 9 times out of 10 that situation ends up the way that I wanted it to go, rather than completely fumbling. And all of that happened just because I took a deep breath. And this is the most important thing that I can tell you. Literally just taking a deep breath before these stressful, anxious situations can make you come out of it. Another example, say for example, you're with your friends and they're treating you like an outsider. You feel left out, you're stressed and you're thinking, why don't these guys don't like me? Why am I feeling like this? The amount of times this happened to my friends in my social settings where I felt like an outsider, I felt like, why are these guys leaving me out? I got all in my mind, I got all upset, and I would react emotionally, lash out, and I would do things to try and make me seem more higher up in the group, make stupid dumb jokes, make stupid comedic taunts that didn't go anywhere, and probably just decreased my reputation within the group. If I'd literally just taken a deep breath, I wouldn't have encountered any of those issues. I wouldn't even probably have been treated as an outsider. But I tried so hard just to make it work because my body was constantly in a state of fight or flight, survival instinct, because I put it there. I didn't allow myself to relax. So say for example you're feeling like this, an outsider in your social setting, people are like picking on you, your friends that are picking on you. By the way, if they're picking on you, they're not your friends. There's a way that guys banter and it's not picking on you and singling you out. I'll have a separate video about that coming out later, but if you're feeling like this, just take a deep breath and think, okay, they're being like this, let me just relax, let me just get comfortable, because right now they're trying to put me in the state of cortisol, in the state of stress. How can I relax? How can I think, okay, it is what it is, it's fine, it's funny, like, I don't need to react, I don't need to, I'm not in a state of fight or flight right now. There is no threat. I don't need to survive. Every time you feel your chest tighten, that's the cue to just take a deep breath. Confidence isn't having no nerves, or not feeling nervous, or not feeling anxious. It's being able to function and act through the nerves, through feeling anxious. Because everyone feels anxious, everyone feels nervous, but it's about being able to act in spite of that. Say to yourself, yeah, even though, okay, you know what, I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling nervous, but I'm going to do this regardless because I want to do this. And that's how you build confidence over time. And literally just by taking that deep breath puts you in much more of a relaxed, calmer state to operate better off of, to operate more optimized, to be smarter, to be more reasoning, to be more understanding, to... Instead of getting all up in your head and overthinking and overcomplicating things become so much more simpler when you just take that deep breath. 90% of the composed guys that you see, it's not that they're naturally more confident. Like I said, they're acting in spite of their nerves, they're acting in spite of their anxiety, but they just reset faster. And that reset is just taking that deep breath. You don't need to become a different person, you just need to remember to breathe. So if you feel your chest tightening, stop, pause, take a deep breath, and then go. Now, just before I end off this video, if you're still struggling with confidence and anxiety in social situations, I can help. The first link in the description, you can book a free 10 to 15 minute call with me. It's a little consultation call. We'll go over whatever issues you're facing, and I'll help you as best as I possibly can. And also, if I think you're a good fit, there's a few spots open for my one-to-one coaching program. So if you're interested, click the first link in the video description and join a quick 10 to 15 minute consultation call with me, and we'll see how I can help you. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one, bro.